If your Amazon photos look like everyone else's, you're blending in and bleeding sales. In this video, I'll show you how to change that with A+ content. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So we've done an actual trial of a cookie brand, and we did it without running A+ content, with regular A+ content and premium A+ content, and we have the results here. Now, what I'm showing you is different listings just so you can kind of see because of the client. Now, what we're going to do is see this listing. This one doesn't have any A+ content. I'm going to start from the beginning. The one without A+ content was making $3,000 a month on Amazon. With A+ content, it was double $6,000 a month. And with premium A+ content, they were making $6,500 a month. So it just shows you that A+ content does help. And that's why we've been running A+ content for each of our clients consistently, especially listings like this. So here's a listing that doesn't have A+ content. You can see it's Trader Joe's triple ginger cookies. And we can see right now and scroll down and you can see that they don't have any A+ content at all. Now we can find one with regular A+ content. You might know this brand, Royal Dansk Danish Cookie Selection. And you can see right here, and we're going to scroll down and we're going to see their A+ content. And you can see right away that this listing automatically screams credibility because number one, humans love photos instead of just boring text at the bottom of their screen, right? So having photos, A+ content does help, especially if it showcases people with the product, happy, they're emotional, right? And they can show you more. It's got the whole family here enjoying it. Right? So this is called regular A+ content. And this is the one that helped our client sales double, right? And it did take 3 months for it to double, but it did double in sales. And this is just a great example. Okay. Now the next one is going to be premium A+ content. And this one helped it double, but also increase it by an extra $500. So you can give an example right here. You can see that this is premium A+ content compared to regular A+ content. The regular A+ content, the images are smaller. The premium A+ content, the images are bigger, and it's automatically mobile optimized, right? And we're going to go over how many users use their cell phone, and you'll be surprised, but you can see right here, it flows better. You can see it really flows and it has different slides you can go through. Not only that, premium A+ content, you can actually put videos at the bottom and then promote your other products at the bottom of the listing as well. Not only that, it also is showing a product description. So it depends on your category. Sometimes it also shows a product description, so you get the double whammy. But right now we did do some research and we did it on Google, but we also saw other Amazon sellers. They said for Amazon, their mobile sessions, so pretty much 63% of people purchase their product on mobile and only 37% on desktop in the last 30 days. You can find that data within Amazon, but if 60% of people are buying via mobile, you better make sure your listing's mobile optimized, right? If you look at premium A+ content, it's usually automatically mobile optimized when regular A+ content isn't. So that means that these words, vanilla ring, finish style, coconut style, is going to be extremely small on a cell phone and they won't be able to zoom in. So make sure that when you are implementing this, it is mobile optimized. Look on it on a cell phone. I bet you haven't done that. And if you look at your listing right now and it has A+ content, you look on it via cell phone, you're going to be like, oh my gosh, this looks terrible. So make sure you double check that. That's going to be one of my biggest tips in today's video. Another big tip is going to be back-end keywords. When we implemented A+ content, right, it wasn't just the photos that helped us. What we did is we also implemented Spanish keywords like galeta. Galeta is Spanish for cookie, right? So the second most spoken language in the US is Spanish. So what you can do is download this tool. It's called Image Alt Text Viewer. You can just type it in, Chrome extension, it's free. Chrome extension, just like that. Type it in, boom, download it. what you can do is see the back-end keywords of the competitors, right? So you can see cheat on bakery treat with bakery cheats, right? And we've got different keywords. We can look at the back-end keywords. Now, what you can do is behind these keywords, you can add up to 100 characters, and you can put Spanish characters because people can't see these keywords, these back-end keywords. Amazon's algorithm can see it, but people like customers can't see it. So you can put almost anything you want behind the images. The more images you have, the better. And when you put these images in, what you can do is put Spanish keywords. Those Spanish keywords are going to help your listing automatically rank in Spanish on Amazon. And if Spanish is the second most spoken language in the US, people are going to be typing in cookies, cookie gifts, things like that into Amazon. And if you're the only one that has that, you're going to be showing up on page number 1 organically. And that's going to help you increase your sales as well. Last but not least, with A+ content, just like we did for our client right down here, at the bottom, you can actually upsell your other products. So this is an easy way to get some extra upsells, some extra sales. So you can put this in your A+ content, like right below your video, boom, add to cart, add to cart, add to cart, so they can see your other products and you can upsell them on that pretty easily. And again, it's automatically mobile optimized. It's only going to help and not hurt. But that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on a new Amazon topic that I should talk about in my next video. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video like A+ content creation, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us and schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is where you're going to have your direct consultant that's going to be helping you design different products, A+ content, brand story. We'll be managing your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, and of course, increasing your sales. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of trying to hire designers or hire people to call Amazon for you. We're experts in it, so we'll help you save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.